Hello, my name is Anderson Johan Schneider Rodriguez. I'm from Zaragoza, Antioquia. I'm 41 years old. I am ambulance driver. I work at the hospital. I live in Zaragoza, Antioquia. There is a much crime. It's very sure. There is a noise, no pollution. I'm looking to live in a very nice and peaceful. My hobbies are watching series and films. My positive qualities are independent, sociable, meticulous. My negative qualities are boorish and forgetful. My daily routines are I prepare my food and I spend all day glued to the computer, doing university, on work, and at night I watching TV. And on the weekends I like to go with my daughter to the mine. There we fish and bath in the river, and we had a great time. And my significant person in my life, her name is Rosa. She's 42 years old and works as a supervisor at a Nara store. Her physical appearance, her hair is black. She's a beautiful eyes. She's a tall. She's a medium height. Her skin is black. My girlfriend is gentle, persistent in some things when she wants to achieve something, and she is sociable with her neighbor. And on the other hand, she is careless and distractible. That's why her friends are sometimes cruel with her. My experience, the happiness was I when got my first car. My even sad, it was when my mom died. Is that dreams are futures plan. I like to move to the series in Celejon. I like to live near to the sea. I planning to lie on the coast in the next years. The sea I'm planning get married there and to have a boy. Okay, and thank you very much. And this is all. And bye bye and so long.